Was a red bird right there. Baby bird right there. Squirrel right there. There's another squirrel right there. Golly, just a second ago you should have seen it. They are everywhere. Everywhere. There was about 7 of them just a second ago. They are coming like crazy. I mean, oh my God. They just like wait until you're gone. It's like they know exactly when you're gone. And I've been quiet. And it's like when you're quiet, they just come like crazy, don't they? You hear them all, don't you? Yeah. It's like bird heaven out here. It's like so awesome. So freaking crazy and so freaking awesome. Yeah. It's like bird after bird after bird. And they don't fight over it anymore either. The peanuts are almost gone. I guess this is when the peanuts go bye-bye. All right. Bye.